Miami Machine is known for quality, value, service in papermaking equipment, and being a trusted manufacturing partner. Founded in 1972, Miami Machine is the most experienced U.S.-owned paper machine manufacturer. We manufacture everything on paper machine, from the headbox through horizontal reel. We design and build equipment, designing equipment in AutoCAD, SolidWorks, and using computer-aided manufacturing. We have an experienced build staff for assembly, as well as experienced engineers and fabricators for fast turnaround for build modifications. Our experienced engineering team can help reduce downtime through our proprietary wear analysis tool, supplement your engineering staff, or reverse engineer parts to recreate or repair them. Our fabrication team has hundreds of years of combined experience MIG and TIG welding, forming, shearing, rolling plates using carbon steel, alloy steel, stainless steel, aluminum bronze, and exotic materials. Our machining capabilities include CNC vertical mills, large horizontal boring mills, engine lathes, CNC lathes, vertical turret lathes, press brakes, and roll grinders. Our customers are some of the largest companies in the paper sector, as well as some of the largest companies outside of the paper sector. We are headquartered in Overpeck, Ohio, but have additional facilities in Cleves and Middletown, Ohio. Contact Miami Machine today via our website at miamimachine.com or at sales@miamimachine.com.